Welcome! Today we're diving into practical ways to save money on groceries without ever clipping a coupon. Whether you're shopping for a family or just yourself, grocery bills can add up quickly. But with a few smart strategies, you can keep your pantry stocked and your wallet happy. In this video, we'll walk through actionable tips that anyone can use, regardless of where you shop or what you eat. Let's get started on your journey to smarter, more affordable grocery shopping. One of the most effective ways to save money is to plan your meals ahead of time. By knowing exactly what you'll be eating throughout the week, you can create a focused shopping list and avoid impulse buys. Meal planning helps you use up what you already have at home, reduces food waste, and ensures you only buy what you need. Take a few minutes each week to jot down your meals and snacks. This simple habit can make a noticeable difference in your grocery spending. After planning your meals, the next step is to make a detailed shopping list. A list keeps you focused and helps you avoid wandering the aisles and picking up unnecessary items. Stick to your list as much as possible. If you spot a tempting deal, ask yourself if it fits into your meal plan or if it's just an extra expense. Over time, you'll notice that shopping with a list leads to fewer surprises at checkout and more money left in your budget. Before heading to the store, take a quick inventory of your pantry, fridge, and freezer. You might be surprised by what you already have on hand. Use these items as the foundation for your meals and only buy what's needed to fill in the gaps. Shopping your pantry first helps prevent buying duplicates and ensures that nothing goes to waste. This simple step can help you stretch your grocery budget further every week. Buying in bulk can be a great way to save money, but only if you do it wisely. Focus on non-perishable items or foods you use frequently, like rice, pasta, or canned goods. Avoid buying large quantities of perishable items unless you're sure you'll use them before they spoil. Bulk purchases can lower the cost per unit, but only if you actually use what you buy. Be strategic and only stock up on items that make sense for your household. Store brands or generic products often offer the same quality as name brands, but at a lower price. Don't be afraid to try them out. Many shoppers find little to no difference in taste or quality. Over time, consistently choosing store brands for staples like milk, bread, or canned vegetables can lead to significant savings. Give them a chance and see which ones work for you. Fruits and vegetables that are in season are usually more affordable and taste better. Check what's in season in your area and plan your meals around those items. Not only will you save money, but you'll also enjoy fresher, more flavorful produce. Shopping seasonally can also introduce you to new foods and recipes, making your meals more interesting and budget-friendly. Convenience comes at a cost. Pre-cut fruits, vegetables, and individually packaged snacks are often much more expensive than their whole counterparts. Take a few extra minutes to wash, chop, and portion your own food at home. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have more control over portion sizes and reduce unnecessary packaging waste. Processed foods, like frozen meals and snacks, tend to be more expensive and less healthy than whole food. By focusing on basic ingredients like grains, beans, and fresh produce, you can prepare meals that are both budget-friendly and nutritious. Cooking from scratch might take a little more time, but the savings and health benefits are worth it. When shopping, always check the unit price usually listed on the shelf tag. This tells you the cost per ounce, pound, or liter, making it easier to compare products of different sizes or brands. Sometimes, the larger package isn't always the better deal. By comparing unit prices, you can make informed choices and get the most value for your money. Sales can be a great way to save, but only if you're buying items you actually need. Don't be tempted by discounts on products you wouldn't normally buy. Instead, stock up on staples when they're on sale and plan your meals around weekly specials. This way, you take advantage of lower prices without overspending or wasting food. It's a classic tip for a reason. Shopping while hungry can lead to impulse buys and extra snacks in your cart. Eat a meal or snack before you head to the store so you can stick to your list and make rational choices. This small habit can help you avoid overspending and keep your grocery bill in check. If you're only picking up a few items, grab a basket instead of a cart. A basket fills up quickly, which can help you avoid adding unnecessary items. It's a simple psychological trick that encourages you to buy only what you need, making it easier to stick to your budget. Bringing kids or friends along can lead to extra items in your cart, especially if they ask for treats or snacks. Shopping alone helps you stay focused and stick to your list. If you must bring someone, set clear expectations about what you're buying to avoid surprises at checkout. Most grocery stores are designed with fresh foods like produce, dairy, and meats around the perimeter, while processed and packaged foods are in the center aisles. By shopping the perimeter, you'll focus on healthier, whole foods and avoid the temptation of pricier, less nutritious options. Cooking in batches saves both time and money. Prepare larger portions of meals and freeze leftovers for busy days. This reduces the temptation to order takeout and ensures you always have something affordable and homemade ready to go. Batch cooking also allows you to buy ingredients in larger, more cost-effective quantities. Don't let leftovers go to waste. Get creative and turn them into new meals. For example, roast chicken can become soup, salad, or sandwiches. Repurposing leftovers not only saves money, but also adds variety to your meals and reduces food waste. If you find a great deal on perishable items, freeze what you can't use right away. Freezing extends the shelf life of meats, bread, fruits, and even some vegetables. This way, you can take advantage of sales without worrying about food spoiling before you can eat it. Fresh herbs can be expensive, but growing your own at home is easy and cost-effective. Even a small windowsill garden can supply you with basil, parsley, or mint for months. Homegrown herbs add flavor to your meals and save you money at the store. Skip the soda, juice, and bottled drinks. Water is the healthiest and most affordable option. If you don't like the taste of tap water, try using a filter or adding a slice of lemon. By choosing water, you'll save money and cut down on sugar and calories. Snacks and treats can quickly inflate your grocery bill. Try to limit how many you buy and focus on healthier, more filling options like fruit, nuts, or homemade snacks. Not only will you save money, but you'll also make healthier choices for you and your family. Always check the expiry dates on products before buying. Sometimes, items close to their expiration are discounted, but only buy them if you can use them in time. Avoid buying food that will go bad before you can eat it, as this leads to waste and wasted money. Set a budget before you shop and stick to it. Using cash or a prepaid card can help you avoid overspending. When you know exactly how much you can spend, you're more likely to make thoughtful choices and prioritize essentials over extras. Discount stores and local markets often offer lower prices than big-name supermarkets. Explore different stores in your area to find the best deals on staples and fresh produce. Don't be afraid to try new places. You might be surprised by the savings. Whole foods, like whole chickens, blocks of cheese, or heads of lettuce, are often cheaper per serving than their pre-cut or pre-packaged versions. Buying whole and preparing food yourself can save you money and give you more control over your meals. Some people shop for groceries as a way to pass time or relieve stress, but this can lead to unnecessary purchases. Try to shop with a purpose and avoid browsing the aisles when you don't need anything. This helps you stick to your list and budget. Many apps and websites allow you to compare prices at different stores before you shop. Take a few minutes to check where you can get the best deals on your regular items. This can help you plan your shopping trip and maximize your savings. Many stores offer loyalty programs that provide discounts, rewards, or special deals. Signing up is usually free and can lead to extra savings over time. Just be sure to only buy what you need rather than chasing every deal. Shopping when you're tired can lead to poor decisions and impulse buys. Try to shop when you're alert and focused so you can stick to your list and make smart choices. A clear mind helps you stay on budget and avoid unnecessary purchases. Always review your receipt before leaving the store. Mistakes can happen, and you might be charged incorrectly for an item. Catching errors right away ensures you don't overpay and helps you keep track of your spending. Proper food storage extends the life of your groceries and prevents waste. Learn how to store fruits, vegetables, and leftovers to keep them fresh longer. Investing in good containers and organizing your fridge can make a big difference in how much food you use versus throw away. Meat is often one of the most expensive items on a grocery list. Try incorporating a few meatless meals each week using beans, lentils, or eggs as protein sources. Not only will you save money, but you'll also discover new recipes and flavors. Frozen produce is often cheaper than fresh, especially when the items are out of season. They're picked at peak ripeness and frozen quickly, so they retain nutrients and flavor. Stock up on frozen fruits and veggies for smoothies, soups, and side dishes. Beverages like soda, juice, and specialty coffees can quickly add up. Stick to water, tea, or coffee made at home to save money. If you do buy drinks, look for sales or buy in bulk to get the best price. Single-serve packages are convenient but often cost more per serving. Buy larger packages and portion them out yourself at home. This approach saves money and reduces packaging waste. Many bakeries and stores offer discounts on bread that's a day old. It's still perfectly good for toast, sandwiches, or making breadcrumbs. Take advantage of these deals to save on a staple food item. Homemade snacks are often cheaper and healthier than store-bought options. Try making granola bars, popcorn, or trail mix at home. You can control the ingredients and portion sizes, saving money and eating better. The more often you shop, the more likely you are to make impulse purchases. Try to limit your grocery trips to once a week or less. This encourages better planning and helps you stick to your budget. Convenience foods like pre-made salads, cut fruit, or ready-to-eat meals are usually more expensive. Prepare your own meals and snacks at home to save money. With a little extra effort, you'll keep more cash in your pocket. If you have small amounts of ingredients left over from other meals, get creative and use them up. Toss veggies into an omelet, add rice to a soup, or mix fruit into yogurt. Using up leftovers prevents waste and stretches your grocery budget. Grocery stores are designed to encourage spending, with tempting displays and strategic product placement. Understanding the layout can help you avoid unnecessary purchases. Stick to your list and avoid wandering into aisles you don't need to visit. Brand name spices can be pricey, but generic or store brand spices are often just as good. Stock up on basics like salt, pepper, and garlic powder from the store brand to save money without sacrificing flavor. Experimenting with new recipes can help you use up ingredients you already have and avoid buying more. Look for simple, budget-friendly dishes that make the most of what's in your pantry. Cooking at home is a fun way to save money and expand your culinary skills. The checkout area is filled with tempting snacks and small items. Resist the urge to grab something extra while you wait in line. These last-minute purchases can add up quickly and derail your budget. Saving money on groceries doesn't require coupons, just a little planning and smart shopping habits. By following these tips, you can keep your grocery bills in check, reduce waste, and enjoy delicious meals at home. Remember, every small change adds up over time. Thanks for watching, and happy saving.